You may be wondering, where is the pivoting in this pivot table? So here is our original pivot table. And if you're familiar with Microsoft Excel, you can pivot things around so the shape changes. The way you do this is by just simply changing the index and columns. So I'm just going to change this so I have sex, the vertical axis, and race on the horizontal axis, like this. You can also do other combination. So the department column, for instance, we could put race over here. So any of these other columns can actually be used. Title is a longer one. So we might choose like this. This is actually quite a long one. So there's, a lot of them just don't have any people in that particular column just because they're so sparse. So it's probably not a good one to group by. But regardless, the way you pivot is simply by changing the index and columns manually, like this, and choose different grouping columns. Okay, so that is how you do the pivoting with a pivot table.